surf it up, full river trip. Bam, baby. Repeaters, they know what they're getting into. Yeah. Y'all got any last words?
Have a great day.
Yeah. All right, we're gonna walk it down toward the beach now.
There we go. That's too far. That feels good.
All right, my right side, climb on in. Get in there. You got your, you take this foot, put it in loosely, keep that one toward the center of the boat. Don't put it under you. No. Pull that out. This one goes here, that one stays toward the middle of the boat. Do not put it under your ass. That's how you're going to fall out, probably injure your ankles. Don't do that.
All right, did that.
You fall out, you'll be okay, but don't twist that ankle. Okay, you see how I got these guys sitting? I want you guys on the other side sit like this. This is mostly for your safety. You already know how to sit up front. Y'all jump on in, guys.
Stay prepared.
Don't wedge your foot in there. Put it under the cup right here like this. Do not wedge it down in that crack. That's how you'll hurt your ankle. My goal is for everybody to have a good time and not take home an injury.
When that water's cold.
All right, team, get ready. Get set. Give me 2. Slow down, slow down. I need y'all paddle together smoothly. Give me 2 now. It's a team. You want paddle in unison. One more. 2 more. We're looking pretty good. We're not going to hit Joey Puckett's rock today. It's the Florida airboating part. One nice and easy though. One more like that. Okay, all forward, paddle together. Just keep going. Stay together though. Stay in time. That's important. Get down. Paddles up. Yeah, we got our 360. Okay, lean right, lean right. Right side, hop up. Left side, stay down. Right side, give me 3. Dig them together. Give me 2 more. And relax. See, that's what teamwork's all about. Look at all that water. Daytona Beach, getting ready for the first Biggie. Mikey's led, class 4. Woohoo! Any last words, crew? Uh-oh. I see a lot of smiles. I think we're gonna be okay. Give me 2 more, nice and smooth. Stay together. You see those low tree limbs? Yeah, we're gonna be in them. It's okay though, that's normal, that's what I'm trying to say. And that kayaker is safe where he's at. Give me 1, I will not much him. Certainly not on purpose. Give me 1 more. And 1 more. Oh, I got you the limbo here, I can't see, but yeah, baby. Give me 1, get down, get down. Oh yeah, baby, I love it. You get up. That's a clean line. Hey, it's a Jolly Viking. Have a good time, Paul. All right, give me 1 team. Give me 2 more. We get door number 2, guys. Make sure you're sitting properly. Stay loose and happy. It is going to get bouncy. Be ready. Give me 1, nice smooth. Okay, bouncy. Be ready to paddle though. Don't fall out. We need you. Give me 1. Give me 2. Relax, relax. You're doing great. Listen up though, we don't want to miss strokes when we get to the Olympic course. Give me 1 more. That's better. Generally speaking, how well you do in blue hole is a good indicator of how things will go in the Olympic course. So I would say I have a pretty good feeling right now. I think we're going to have fun and not be into carnage movies. Give me 1, team. Try not to low side like that into the Olympic channel. Get that weight on the outer 2. Give me 2, team. Give me 1 more. Here comes Smiley Face. Smiley Face. That was smooth. Those ledge was crazy today. Give me 2, team. Give me 1 more. Slam dunk coming up. It shouldn't be a big slam, but it might be a bounce. Be prepared. Here it comes, slam dunk. That was smooth. Give me 2, team. Callahan's coming up is the most fun. 2 more, team. 2 more. Give me 2 now. Bump. Give me 1. Give me 2. I knew we were going to hit that rock. Thank you for paddling. Give me 1 more. Give me 1 now. That's the ramp. You're looking good. We are online. Get ready, guys. Don't let your guard down. Give me 2 now. Give me 2 more. Give me 2 more, team. Be ready, be ready, be ready. Give me 1. I always have a giggle attack there. I can't help it. I know my crew's gonna make it even if I fall out. Stay in. I need to go downstream. I don't want to lose you here. Get ready. It might get wild and crazy even in here. That was probably my hand hitting you too.
That was you?
Yeah, I bumped you. Or you bumped me, I'm not sure which.
Good one, Hank. Here it comes.
Okay, be prepared. I may or may not hit a rock down here. If I do, try not to fall out. Bump. Give it 2. One more, team. I'm going to try to ride one of the tugs through the hull. 1 more. Beautiful. We went between the rocks. That's always a good sign. 1 more, team. One more. Relax, relax. Oh God, I almost got a giggle attack in the middle of that. Left side, back 1. Back 1. Give me 1 forward. Okay, get down, hold on, lean in, whatever, don't fall out. Hop up. Backwards 2. Dig them hard backwards. Relax, you're good. You can hop up.
The old guy down. Somebody help him up.
See those waves right there? They're not friendly. They're just rocks with fluffiness on top of them. They eject people. And I know because I got ejected there a long, long time ago. I've had no desire to do it again. Go, team, go! Here's advanced body surfing by Ed. Yeah, river otter action. Oh, you can see the advanced body surfing spot. Very nice. Oh yeah, you're in sweet spot.
Sit on. I like that spot.
Oh, nice entry move. Yeah. Just relax, relax. Okay, relax, relax. You're pretty close. Okay, lean back. Oh, yeah.
Oh, wow, you sound like a princess.
Sweet. Made that look easy. Woo! All right, get down for maximum cooling effect.
Keep us there a minute, Fred. Let's get a picture.
I'll hit you with
Hey, don't take it over. It'll still be working.
These break ribs.
Woo! Surf it up, baby. Oh, I gotta check under the raft, make sure it's still floating. It is, there are a few rocks.
Hey, it feels better than the first thing this morning.
Oh, yeah.
I think we're on a ride just like this all the way down.
Oh, I got one more place to pull y'all off. Yeah. Before lunch, you gotta make sure everybody can eat. All right, coming up is Edge of the World, formerly known as Lucky Larry's Ledge. Larry got beat down here, but he didn't die, so he's Lucky Larry. Oh, and he's the principal partner of OAC, and he's so happy there's a new name, and he probably wishes I quit telling everybody the old name.
What's the old name?
The old name is Lucky Larry's Ledge. Back when Larry was younger, he's almost 80 now, he had a rodeo in this hole. Give me one. You will get down when I tell you, be ready. All right, get down, team. Bad place to swim. Don't swim, Fred. bam, bounce off the rock. See that fluffy water over there behind us? And the density is so light or so low, none of us would float there. Give me one. All right, you may hop out and float here. This isn't heavily aerated, you will float. And you can float all the way to the lunch spot and cool off if you would like. It's very deep right here.
Oh, really?
Oh yeah, you will not touch bottom. This tail race for the Powerhouse. You see those meal floating ahead of me, I'm not making it up. The only rule is don't hang on to the raft, and that's for your protection. Do not get away from the raft. You don't want to get pinched between the raft and the rocks. The odds of that aren't great, but if you're hanging on to it, well, he'll do weird things and bounce off rocks.
Man, you think this is going so much faster being in like
It seems.
downhill.
It seems like it.
Oh yeah, if you let your legs dangle, you'll go even faster. You're not going to get foot entrapment here. Middle Ocoee bandits on full river trip. Yeah, man.
Out of the way, Express.
I'm gonna load y'all one row at a time. First row, climb in. Everybody else wait. I'm gonna move the raft again. Make sure you sit like I showed you. There's a big ledge at the bottom of this. Middle row, hop on in. Back row, hop on in, be careful. I'm gonna let the Jolly Viking go since he wants to. Okay, get ready, team. I'm call strokes in a moment. Give me one. Give me one more. Oh yeah, don't forget to smile. They're taking your picture. Like right now.
He's waving like a motherfucker.
Puppy, don't fall out. One more. Two more. Relax. We're gonna get two bumps down here. First one's gentle, second one pops people out. Don't fall out. It's the easy one. Next one might be a bigger hit. We are on line. We're looking good. Dude, look at that big old tree. Oh no, somebody swam. Lean in, lean in. Backwards two. I don't want to run him over. Backwards two more. Go, go, go. Stop. Forward three. Go, go, go. It's shallow in there. I didn't want to put a raft on top of it. Forward one. Good job, team. Two more. Give me one more. Big drop, don't panic, don't fall out. You got to hold yourselves in the raft better than that. Get in the raft, dude. Get back where you're supposed to be at before you flip it. Get back where you're supposed to be. I don't care about a valve. I get it, I get it. Give me one. Stop. We'll try to get the paddle in a minute. Give me two. Give me one on the left. Give me three, everybody. Go, paddle together. Give me three more. Give me two more. Look for that. Look at that paddle. I want y'all to grab it when it gets near. Give me two more. Grab that paddle. Give me one more. Don't worry, if any rafts get in our way, we'll just hit them. Give me one. Relax. Give me one more. Give me two more. Give me two more, make them count. We may or may not bump somebody. It'll be all right if we do. Try not to bump my foul head if I can help it. So much for that theory. Don't fall out, it's too shallow. Be ready to paddle, it's going to matter. Give me three, dig them. Give me two more, make them count, don't rush them. One more. This is kayak life, and that guy in the green boat's going to move because he's in the line. There's nothing I can do about it. Same thing with that ducky. I don't move him if he doesn't move. He'll be okay though. Give me two. Give me one. Be ready. Might turn into combat rafting in a minute. I'll try to be gentle if I can. Give me one. Give me two, make them count. Give me two more, make them count. Give me one more, make it count. That was close. Give me three, go, go, go. Be ready to paddle. I'm trying not to hurt other people. Give me two more and relax. Relax. Smile for the cameras. They are watching you, or they will be. Yep, she's looking now. It's gonna be okay. Just relax. Nose and toes, nose and toes. You're gonna be fine. You're gonna be okay. Get your feet up, get your feet up. Give me one. Give me two. Give me three more. Give me two more. Give me 2 more. Relax, you're good. Give me 1. Keep that paddle in your hand. I'm gonna need more strokes. Give me 2. Give me 3. Dig them through this. Good job. Give me 3 more. Those strokes are mostly to keep you from swimming. Okay, all forward. Go. Stay together. Paddle together. Smooth as fast. Fast and smooth. Stop. Stop. Good job, team. Now you got an idea why we didn't surf the other one. Give me 1 more. Good job. Y'all got in the hole.
That motherfucker was close. I was close.
I know. The whole raft was really close to flipping. I don't think people would have fallen out without the raft coming over. That time, I mean.
Yeah, I thought it was going over.
I was using weird muscles trying to hold on. Backwards 2. There's some rocks over there I want to hit and jostle. We are coming up on a swim area. If you want to hop out and cool off, you can. You can do it in this wave train, or you can wait till it gets really calm if you want. Either or is fine.
Are we at the end?
Oh no, this is halfway on the middle. We got 2.5 more miles of fun after this swim area. 2 team, 2 stroke. Forward, forward, forward.
Sorry, team.
They won't get hurt. It's deep here. They'll be fine.
That's how hell I'm at. It was like
Here comes table saw. It's going to be rowdy and fun. We'll probably catch safety at the bottom if we can. Give me 2. Then we get to watch how everyone else does. Who does? All right, 2 more, team. I need a little momentum. I'm going to hit a big wave like he did. Okay, get ready. Big hit. Do not fall. Do not tumble. Stay where you're supposed to be. But this is not through being rowdy. Yeah, I'm not going to set safety because I might run her over. Give me 2, dig them, go, go, go. Give me 3 more. Stop. Give me 3, make them count. Don't rush them, make them count. 2 more, 2 more, 2 more. Big hits, we might wreck, get ready. Stay down, this is not the line. Backwards, 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 backwards. Relax, you're good. Good job, team. I've done that line of kayak before. I've not done that raft though.